In my last video, I explained why PLAB 2 is not a knowledge exam. Today, I want to build on that and explain what PLAB 2 actually rewards, because understanding this will change how you prepare completely. Many candidates assume that if they take a history well, they arrive at the correct diagnosis and make a sensible management plan, that they can score really well. However, OSCE exams like PLAB 2 are not always marked like that. You see, examiners, they don't score insight, they don't score internal reasoning, and they don't score for intuition. What they score, what they are looking for, are observable behaviours. So what this means is you can have two candidates who think exactly the same. However, how they get their thoughts across, what they say, how they perform, means that they can score very differently. So it's not about what you know, what you think, it's about what you do. In practice, PLAB 2 stations reward four main things: structure, prioritization, communication, and safety. Now, don't misunderstand, this is not the PLAB mark scheme or the domains upon which you are assessed, which we'll discuss in later videos. This is just an overall view of your behaviors and what is rewarded with marks. So if we start with structure, a clear logical approach that the examiner can follow is obviously much better than one that is scattered or all over the place. This will include how you open the station, how you move between your tasks, and whether your approach feels organized or if it's reactive. The second thing is prioritization. Examiners want to see that you recognize what matters now, not what might matter or everything that could matter. Saying fewer things which are more relevant is clearly better than trying to say everything. For communication, this is not just about sounding fluent or sounding rehearsed. It's about clarity, being clear in what you say. It's about signposting. And it's about keeping both the patient and the examiner orientated and informed with what you are doing. And the final thing is safety. The important thing to remember about safety is that you have to demonstrate it. You can't imply it. So the examiner is looking to see that if you know that something is risky, you must verbalize how you're going to manage that risk. It's not enough to just to just know about it without showing it or without saying it. And examiners won't reward that. They can only reward what you say or what you show. Many candidates practice dozens and dozens of stations but see little improvement in their performance. And this is because they are not getting feedback on how they are performing, what they are saying, and what they are doing. And if that's not happening, obviously the same patterns are going to repeat and the same behaviors are going to be present. PLAB 2 preparation only becomes effective when you understand what examiners are looking for, what is being assessed, and then get feedback on how you perform to correct your mistakes and to change them into things that actually pick up marks, whether it's phrasing, whether it's how you actually explain things, whatever it is. You need feedback on what you're doing currently to take you towards what you should be doing. So practice alone is not enough. In future videos, as well as discussing the three domains upon which you are assessed and what behaviors you need to demonstrate in each of them three, I will also break down the skill areas that we discussed today in more detail using real PLAB 2 style stations and examples. But the key takeaway from today is this: PLAB 2 rewards what you demonstrate, not what you know.